everyone, welcome to When Crafting is Life. Today we are working on Maddie the Mermaid's pattern, and I'm going to be showing you how to attach the arms to the body in row 65 of her pattern. So we start off the row by single crocheting 12, and then we're going to pick up an arm and single crochet into the first stitch from where you've fastened off the arm. So then you are going to single crochet 5 more stitches around the arm. So once you have crocheted the 6 stitches around the arm in total, we are going to skip the next 3 stitches of the body. So count the 3 stitches along the body and then single crochet into the next stitch. From there, we are going to single crochet 11 more stitches around the body and picking up the second arm. In the same way, we are going to single crochet into the first stitch from where you fastened off the arm and then single crochet another 5 stitches around the arm. And again, you're going to skip the next 3 stitches of the body, and that will be the last 3 stitches of the round. And we are going to remove our stitch marker and single crochet into the first stitch of the next row. And then replace your stitch marker. And that's it. You have attached the arms to the body and you can continue on with the pattern from row 66.